while, I decided that it was time for me to pursue a full-time career in the tech field.
I thought of getting a job that's more fixed, a permanent job, a full-time job that can give me CPF, that can give me things like that.
But in order to do so, I needed to find some form of accreditation or certification.
Because based on my zero experience in IT, I need that basic knowledge.
Honestly, I wish this was how our lessons were conducted in school.
They will help me before the class or after the class or on weekends sometimes to just make sure that I can catch up.
To be honest, with how grueling the job search process has become due to the COVID situation, I wasn't expecting to land a job this quick.
So I managed to land this job with just one interview.
Definitely wish I had years studying Lithan instead.
It really helps me to find a job. So honestly, I managed to complete the whole course online. If it's possible for me, I think it's possible for my friends also.
Hi everyone, my name is Max, a digital career enabler for over a decade. And every year we have been helping more than 500 locals like yourself to get into high-growth IT and digital careers, such as digital marketing, IT support, software development, data science, business analytics, and cybersecurity, among many others. Welcome to our Digital Career Talk. If you're here looking to get into a new IT or digital career, or simply looking to upgrade yourself in digital skills that are highly sought after by employers everywhere, you are at the right place.
EduClass is a regional digital learning and talents platform that has helped more than 50,000 learners and over 2,000 companies in digital upskilling over the last 10 years. And in Singapore, we have placed an average of around 500 locals into IT and digital jobs every year. We are a CT Centre with SkillsFuture Singapore, EduTrust certified by Community for Private Education, and a solution partner of Microsoft. We have also partnered with numerous prominent universities around the world to enable digital career induction and obtaining a bachelor's or master's degree under one pathway. This is perfect for working adults who are upskilling themselves for a career switch and at the same time have an opportunity to earn a world-recognized higher learning qualification.
The reason why you're watching this video right now, I guess should be the same as most individuals like yourself. And the reason is, we are in a new digital economy and everything around us is transforming digitally, even our workplace and our jobs.
McKinsey produced a report illustrating how workforce skills will shift with this digital revolution. It's indicated that all technological skills, both advanced and basic, accompanying with finely tuned 21st century soft skills, will grow substantially, while physical and basic cognitive skills will face significant decline with many tasks taken over by machines. In short, a lot of traditional and repetitive job roles are going to be replaced by machines or AI.
The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated this shift by impacting the world like nothing we've seen before, pushing 5 years worth of digital adoption to happen in a matter of 8 weeks. 5 years worth of digital advancement in just 8 weeks. That's how fast things are changing today.
Due to this speed of digital evolution, another article from McKinsey shared that business leaders around the world are feeling the heat, with 87% saying that their companies are having difficulty addressing the digital skills gap. Simply put, most companies worldwide do not have enough talents with the right digital skills.
And if we put our focus on Singapore, it is the same story. The Straits Times published that tech talents are most in demand locally, with 85% of companies from the tech and transformation industry giving pay rises to attract and retain these talents. And these tech salaries might even soar up to 30% within the next 2 years. It is crystal clear for all of us at this point. A switch to an IT or digital career will probably mean being sought after by employers, having a high salary ceiling, and being on track for a high-growth, future-ready career. However, standing still with little or no digital skills will probably mean lesser market value, job survivability issues, and eventually being totally left behind. We are ready to help you to move forward with your new digital career. We have up to 95% cost-free funding available to help you financially in getting the required digital skills. We have a team of industry experts who will mentor you to be work-ready. And we have more than 10 years of proven job placement record to get you your first digital job. Everything that you need to succeed in our digital economy is available right here, right now. We covered the whole spectrum of in-demand digital careers and skills. Let's look at some of the most in-demand job roles that you can get through us.
First up, let's look at the role of a cloud practitioner. You will begin your career as an IT associate, or more commonly known as an IT support specialist. It is one of the top-ranking jobs featured in LinkedIn's 2022 Jobs on the Rise report for Southeast Asia. Acting as the frontline support for any cloud or IT-related issues, these essential IT talents are fetching a median starting salary of $30,000 per annum, with opportunities to advance to IT specialist roles such as a cybersecurity specialist, drawing a median salary of $149,000 per annum, or a cloud administrator, earning a median salary of $123,000 per annum. Next, we have the role of a software developer. Research from IDC shows that software developers will nearly triple in demand from 2021 to 2025, making them one of the most sought-after talents in the tech industry. You will be looking at a median salary of $61,000 per annum as a software developer. And of course, when we talk about deep tech job roles, it is impossible to leave out the role of a data scientist, critical in today's data-driven workplace. It is a role that tops LinkedIn's 2022 Jobs on the Rise list not only in Southeast Asia, but worldwide, and comes with an ability to earn a median salary of $123,000 per annum. And if we move to the business side of things, we will definitely need to mention digital marketers. According to Business Wired, in Asia Pacific alone, the digital advertising market will surpass $2.8 trillion within the next 10 years. And this points to a great increase in the number of digital marketers needed to manage and execute those marketing budgets. These marketing experts are fetching a median salary of $68,000 per annum, with digital outreach becoming a norm. The way to carry out sales prospecting and activities must also change. Therefore, there is a new breed of sales professionals, the digital business developers, who can execute omni-channel strategy in prospecting and engaging customers, from online to offline, earning a median salary of $122,000 per annum. For individuals with project management or business management experience, we offer the option of becoming a digital transformation leader, helping companies to plan and execute the digitization of their workplace and outreach.
The jobs that I have mentioned so far are just some of the more popular ones that we have. Do check with us if you have a digital job or career in mind, but it was not mentioned here. You can also refer to our series of career videos for more in-depth insights into each career and pick the one that best suits you. First of all, you will need to acquire the skills needed, and those skills must match the actual job responsibilities in your new digital career. Some places are just training people in skills that don't matter at the workplace. Secondly, a 3-day workshop or a 5-day training won't be enough for you to do a proper career switch. Employers are expecting much more in-depth training in exchange for an employment opportunity. And lastly, you will want the best job placement outcome after graduation. Do look for a training provider who has a proven track record of placing their graduates in high-growth digital jobs. So how do we ensure that you get into a new digital career successfully?
You will go through our lifelong learning class. CLASS stands for Competency Learning as a Service. This is our learning innovation backed by over 10 years of proven success, training, and placing working adults like yourself into high-growth digital jobs.
First and foremost, you will be going through our competency-based curriculums. They are constructed based on the actual job responsibilities. In this way, your learning will be totally relevant to the workplace and the hiring employers in the job market today.
Next is how you will be learning those curriculums. Traditional classroom learning is inefficient when knowledge retention can be as low as 8%. Therefore, all our learners will go through our blended learning environment, which is a mixture of self-paced learning, flipped class training, and personalized mentoring.
The self-paced portion of the learning ensures that part of the training remains non-invasive to work and personal life. Our bite-sized contents are meant to be easily absorbed, even during small pockets of free time. This makes our schedule very doable even for busy professionals seeking work-life balance. Our flipped class training empowers our learners to share what they have learned and ask questions on topics that they are facing issues with. This allows the instructors to better understand their learning progression and focus more effectively on their weak points, making learning more efficient.
And our learners will also receive personalized mentoring by industry experts while working on real-world projects. This enables real-world on-the-job exposure while accelerating learning by tapping on valuable industry expertise. It is aligned with the highly effective 70-20-10 learning framework that will move conceptual knowledge obtained in our self-paced learning and flipped class training to work-ready skills imparted by our industry experts and real-world projects.
And of course, after acquiring the work-ready skills, the next step is to get you into your first digital job. Our proven job placement service, a service that we have been offering for more than a decade, will cover all that you need to step into a new digital career.
You will go through a profile builder course, which consists of resume building workshops, interview coaching, industry insights sharing, and much more to prep yourself for the interviews ahead. Next up, we will connect you with a huge pool of hiring employers through a mixture of physical recruitment drives, employers networking sessions, and online AI job matching. This will ensure that you will get the maximum exposure of your skills and experience to your future employer.
Here in Singapore, as an ICT CET center with SSG, you can also enjoy up to 95% funding on your course fee when you embark on your career-changing journey with us. Now that you know how you will learn through us and how we can get you the job, there are a few program options that you can go for. If you would like to get into your new digital career as soon as possible, going for our Digital Career Induction Bootcamp is the best option available. This is an intensive 2 to 4 months of full-time skilling program with our job placement assistance. Learners will go through a Monday to Friday, 9 to 6 training schedule that will accelerate learning effectiveness. If you cannot commit to a full-time schedule, we do have part-time options as well that are longer in duration but structured for busy professionals. If you're just looking to upgrade your skills and not a career change, you can opt for our digital upskilling class. This is a bite-sized modular training program for bridging digital skills gap and future-proof your career. This program delivers digital skills for agile innovations, digital collaboration, omni-channel marketing, digital sales prospecting, robotic process automation, zero-code application development, and data analytics, among many others. We have come to the end of our sharing. Switching to a new career could feel like a daunting move, a difficult process, one that requires effort, personal time, and finance. And all those are true. This is never an easy step, but it is a necessary one for us to survive in our digital-first, modern workplace. We understand that And what we can do here is to provide a pathway that will offer you high affordability, work-study-life balance, work-ready digital skills, and job placement assistance to enable you to make a smooth transition to a new digital job. We are ready to walk beside you in your career-changing journey. Are you ready to take that first step with us? You can find out more info on how to contact us if you have not done so already, and links to our series of career videos in the description of this video. We hope to hear from you soon.